I say the same thing every single time. I say you the fucking best. You the fucking best. You the fucking best. You the fucking best. You the best I ever had. Best I ever had.
Hey guys, it's Alice. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. I just got to wash my face today. 4th of July weekend vlog. Even like this last year, it was really better. This year it's not gonna be better because I'm just gonna like stay where I'm at right now. I'm not going out of town this year. I'm gonna moisturize my face because my face needs to get moisturized. I need to put some stuff on my face before I start doing my makeup. I'm probably not gonna do a get ready with me because I'm running late. I need to literally like clean my desk. I have lashes everywhere. My drawers full of lashes. Come on now, I need to clean my. Get back to you guys when we're gonna be in the car. Guys, so I just got in getting ready and I'm gonna show you guys my outfit, how I'm looking today. Outfit for today: some bubble slide, as you guys can see, shirt, charms, the hair by me, the shirt from Shein, charms from Shein, bracelets from Shein, pants, Kohl's, purse from Shein, and yeah. So that's how I'm looking. I'll be back to y'all when we're probably in the car. I'm gonna go downstairs to get me some food because I haven't ate all day. It is 10:10 and I haven't eaten nothing. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go downstairs, get me some food. Get me some food, man. Eat some oatmeal. So I'm gonna get back to you guys when we're in the car because I'm gonna make some TikToks because I look cute.
I need you so much. Can you kiss me better? We're so young, boy, we ain't got nothing to lose. Oh, it's just principle. Baby, hold me, 'cause I like the way.
Guys, we're at Eagle Creek right now. Hey guys, so we are currently at the place and we're finna get out the car right now. I'm editing this video. Y'all probably like, where are you going? Where I said like we're at the place right now, I'm going to a birthday party. See, I'm watching the video.
The Roman candle, yeah.
It is the 4th of July. Happy 4th of July to everyone. I just got done doing my hair. I was trying to do it half up, half down. I didn't like how it was looking on my head. Like, it was not giving. Like, my forehead was giving big. I'm gonna do my makeup and then we're gonna go downtown. Into my edges, baby. Get into them. A bun. How cute the bun looks. It's currently 8:10 and we're gonna be leaving in a little bit.
Go for me, back up. No.
Yeah, like
Remember this from last year?
What? Oh, right here.
Hey. Oh, there we go.
Here,
So damn.
Take that one.
Just hold it, okay?
Hold it out.
If we ain't gotta do nothing. It don't matter either. Oh, yeah.
you with that face. With the eyebrow. With the eyebrow like this.
Back up, y'all. I'm gonna throw it out.
You're getting old. Very old.
Not me, but my hands.
The police said no fireworks over here. my camera died, so I'm gonna have to take one more time. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I say make sure you guys follow me all on my social media, my Instagram and my TikTok. And you guys can add me on Snapchat if you guys want to, which I'm barely on Snapchat. But if you guys want to add me on Snapchat, go ahead. I will change my username to my Instagram, so I will show you guys the new Instagram of what my username is to let you guys know, because I changed it. I want to say that I will be posting every otother Friday. I want to let you guys know that I will be posting every other Friday. Make sure you guys stay tuned for new content, because I have a lot of new content coming up, and y'all do not want to miss out. I'm telling y'all, don't want to miss out. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Baby, you my everything. You all I ever wanted. We can do it real big. Bigger than you ever done it. You be up on everything. Other hoes ain't never on it. I want this forever. I swear I could spend whatever on it. Cause she hold me down every time I hit up. When I get right, I promise that we gon' live it up. She made me pay for it till she give it up. And I say the same thing every single time. I say you the fucking best. You the fucking best. You the fucking best. You the fucking best. You the best I ever had. Best I ever had. Got a roommate, call me when there's no one there. Put the key under the mat and you know I'll be over there. I'll be over there, shout it, I'll be over there. I'll be hitting all the spots that you ain't even know was there. And you don't even have to ask twice. You can have my heart or we can share it like the last slice. Always felt like